Hey friends, if you wish to view your product key on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, these days we can simply reset our computer using an option in settings. So we don't need the product key, but yes, we do need the product key in case we need to clean boot the system. Even in that case, it usually picks up the OEM key, but still, if you want to know your retail key, then it's a good idea to keep a note of it. Now, there's a command line for that. So copy this command line. It's in the description section of this video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste it here and hit enter, and the original product key will be displayed right here. There's one more better way because you might not want to enter the key each and every time. So you can download a very small app. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Windows key. There's a software known as Show Key Plus. Click on open corresponding to it. And then it shows the installed key here. It also shows it in a different manner. It shows the initial version too, and it also mentions whether it's an OEM key or which key, and whether it's a 64-bit or which one. So you can find this key using this software, and this is a much easier method. You can also check many more details, and you can also retrieve the key to your system for future use. Was this helpful? If yes, then please watch this video, subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.